Welcome to Normandy at Pembrook Lakes in Pembrook Pines, Florida. Today we're going to see what $615,000 gets you in this private community of just 148 homes. My name is Michael Valencia. I'm one of Florida's top realtors with Lamacchia Realty, and this is Living in South Florida. Before we head inside, I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe, and of course, share this video with anyone who might be interested. Let's check out this exclusive tour of my newest listing. Come on in. This 3-bed, 2-bath home is less than 30 years old, built in 1997. 1,400 square feet of living space on a 6,200 square foot lot, and a killer backyard that I can't wait to show you. The kitchen is the heart of this home. Open on all sides, it stands out as a central focus point. With navy blue cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops, you'll create endless memories surrounded by your loved ones. Now, my favorite part, this amazing backyard is perfect for any event. The pie-shaped lot provides us with extra room to fit this amazing 30 by 15 pool. You'll become everyone's favorite host. When you're done with the pool, they'll want to come hang out in the outdoor kitchen under your Tiki. And when the sun sets, fire off the fire pit for endless summer memories. Rooms are located in the back of the home, beginning with the primary bedroom, large enough to fit a king bed and your standard bedroom furniture without losing any space. Completed by 2 walk-in closets and a primary bath with dual sinks and a stand-up glass door shower. The other 2 rooms are large. Each have their own window, closet, and plenty of room, and they both share a tastefully renovated second bathroom. This home features a 4-year-old roof, wired security camera system, and accordion shutters all around for deep insurance discounts. A 2-car garage and a 2-car driveway in a gated community. The HOA has a clubhouse with a pool and a playground. And for $205 per month, cable and internet are also included. Nestled away in a perfect location between Pines Boulevard and Sheridan Street, you will appreciate the quick access to shopping and dining, and for family activities at any of the local parks. Surrounded by A-rated schools all around, this home is truly one you won't want to miss. If you enjoyed this tour, please let us know by tapping the like button below. Share this video with anyone you think would love this house. And if you have any questions about the South Florida market, all of my information is in the description below. I'll see you at the next one.